Hare Krishna students, if you want to follow my class for now or for afterward, so that you have to do only one work, that is you have to press that subscribe button. Okay, that's all. Hare Krishna students, please open your Sanskrit book, page number 32. Today we will read Panchami Vibhakti. So, chapter number 9. Panchami Vibhakti where we will use in Apadan Karak. Okay, that means whenever we will get the meaning from. Okay, FROM, from. That means theke or something minus. Okay, there we will use Panchami Vibhakti Apadan Karak. Okay, that means ablative case. Now see, from here we will start. Okay, what is the name? Jalo Chakram, that means water cycle. So today we will learn about water cycle. See the picture first. Now let's start. Jalong bina no kopi jivah jivati. That means living being can't alive without water. Ataha jalang jivanam asti. So water is called life. Esa dhara jalena samriddha asti. So the earth is rich with water. Atra jalena puritaha kupaha tadagaha. Jalena puritaha, that means filled with water. What filled with water? Kupaha, that means wells. Tadagaha, ponds. Nadyaha, rivers. Samudraha, ocean, etc. So we can say Atra jalena puritaha kupaha tadagaha nadyaha samudraha adayaha. Adaya means etc. Okay, adayaha jalashayaha santi. That means here wells, ponds, rivers, oceans, etc. water reservoirs are filled with water. Okay, with water. Filled with water. Now next one. Suryasya kiranauh kiranaihi Suryasya kiranaihi jalashayanam jalam ushnam bhavati. That means water reservoirs are heated by the sun rays. Okay, sun rays. Ushnang jalang basparupeno porinatang bhavati. That means hot water is transforming into the vapor. Tad vashpang tadagevyaha nadivyaha samudradivyaha cha upari gacchati. That means then that water vapor, okay, is going above of the ponds, rivers, ocean. Okay, above of the upari, above. Tad bashpang megha iti kathate. That vapor called cloud. Megha upari upari gacchati. Clouds is going from higher and higher. Okay. Upari means you can say above also or higher also. মানে উচ্চ, অনেক উপরে. So cloud is going from higher and higher. Yada esaha megha sitalang bhavati. That means then when this cloud is getting cold, shitalaha bhavati, that means getting cold. Tada saha varshati, then it is raining. Barsha jaleno sarve jalashayaha puritaha bhavanti. All water reservoirs get filled by rainwater. वर्षा जलेन। देन एवं जलाशयेभ्यः मेघः एवं जलाशयेभ्यः मेघः मेघात् वर्षाः वर्षाभ्यः पुनः जलाशयाः इति एतत् जलचक्रं कथ्यते। That means in this way, from water reservoirs to cloud, from cloud to rain, and from rain to again, पुनः means again these water reservoirs, or we can say water bodies, are formed. इति एतत् जलचक्रं कथ्यते. So this is called water cycle. Okay, now go to next page. See, briksat patrang patati. That means leaf is falling from the tree. That means one leaf is falling from one tree. Now briksabhyam patrani patanti. That means leaves are many leaves. Many leaves, or you can say leaves, are falling from two trees. When it is many, just use s or es, as same as like English plural. In English only you will translate, that time you can use s or es, that means plural form, then only it is you can understand, and this is plural, that means bahuvachan. But when it is dvivachan, I will suggest you to use two, two, then only you can understand that this is dvivachan, because in English we are not having dvivachan. Am I right? That's why whenever you will use in Sanskrit translation, that dvivachan one, you will translate dvivachan to dvivachan Sanskrit in English, that time you have to use two. But when you are using plural Sanskrit plural some sentence in English, that time you can use only s or es, that is only enough. So here you can see patrani, this is plural, and briksabhyam, this is dvivachan. Briksat, briksabhyam, briksabhyaho. Am I right? So this is dvivachan, that's why I have to use two. So leaves are falling from two trees. Briksabhyaho pushpani patanti. That means flowers are falling from the many trees. Or if you use that flowers are falling from the trees, that is also enough for this. Now next, this side. Etasyaha shakhayaha king patati. That means what is falling down from this branch? What is falling down? King, what is falling down from this branch? Shakhayaha means from the branch. Etasyaha shakhayaha phalang patati. Fruit is falling down from the branch. Banoraha shakhabhyaho anekani phalani nayanti. That means monkeys are taking many fruits from the branches. Many fruits they are taking, phalani, from the branches. Branches, many, na? That's why. See, ahong means I. Motoryanana means you can say by the car. Briksat vidyalayam, that means bari theke skule, that means from my house to school. So I am going my house to school by the car. Okay. Now you have to read all the meaning nicely, because in exam definitely meaning will come. Okay, all meaning you have to remember. Then come to down. You have to remember both sides. That means that Sangya side and Sarvanam side. Both you have to memorize. How? See, first Punglinga, that means masculine gender. All masculine gender should be same. Then all feminine should be same, and all neuter gender rules should be same. So first learn balak sabdarup in masculine gender. Balakat, balakabhyam, balakebhyaho. You can say khagat, khagabhyam, khagebhyaho, like this. Okay. Now feminine gender. Latayaha, latabhyam, latabhyaho. Latayaha, latabhyam, latabhyaho. You can say balikayaha, balikabhyam, balikabhyaho. Okay. As it is, it will come. in Panchami Vibhakti, definitely in Panchami Vibhakti. Then neuter gender. You know that Prathama and Ditya are different, but from Tritiya to Saptami all are same in neuter gender and in masculine gender. So look at, but that word should be different because it should be neuter gender word. So Nagarath, Nagaram, neuter gender. So from Nagaram in Panchami Vibhakti, Nagarath, Nagarath, Nagarabhyam, Nagarevyeho. You can say Phalat, Phalabhyam, Phalevyeho, as it is like this. Both should be same. Now Sarvanam, you have to memorize, no other ways. So Etat, Etasmat, Etavyam, Etevyeho. Now Tat, Tasmat, Tavyam, Tevyeho. Kim, Kasmat, Kavyam, Kevyeho. Okay. Now Etat, Etasyaha, Etavyam, Etavyeho. This is feminine gender. Okay. Now Tat, feminine gender. Tasyaha, Tavyam, Tavyeho. Now Kim, feminine gender. Kasyaha, Kavyam, Kavyeho. Neuter gender not given here because Punglingo and Napumsaklingo both should be same. So together only they given. See this oblique sign? That means both are same root. So this much only your masculine gender also and this much only your neuter gender also. So this much only today's CW. Please memorize. Very, very important this part. Very, very important. Okay.